God की कसम.
So hello everyone, welcome to our React series for beginners. So in today's video, we are going to talk about map function and also we will understand list and keys. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So a lot of times हमें list of items को dynamically display कराना पड़ता है like this. So for this case, React इसे display कराना बहुत easy बना देता है with the help of map function. So let's understand what is map. In JavaScript, we use map function to iterate over an array and transfer each element. React leverages this function to render list dynamically. In simple words, ये एक array को traverse करता है. Means ये हर एक elements को visit करता है. And हर एक element को uniquely identify करने के लिए we have a key prop. So that React doesn't find it hard to remember which elements were changed, added or removed. So now it's time to code and see the map function in action. So we have opened our React project, created an app component, imported it in main.jsx and rendered it here. So first we will create a file and name it itemlist.jsx. Then create a component, export function item list. Then we will create a state variable const item list, then set item list which will set its value is equal to use state imported from React module. Now we have more than one item in the list, so we will create an array of items. So now item list is an array with 3 items inside it: apple, banana and cherry. Now we will return UL means unordered list. So अगर हम इस लिस्ट को ऐसे ही लिख दें, so that doesn't make any sense because it's an array, so we have to iterate over each element and keep rendering it till last. It can also be done using loops, but map function is an easy way to do this. So inside curly braces, we will write name of the array, dot, and then we will use map method, which calls a callback function. And also while using React, we will have a little change that instead of using this curly braces, we will use normal braces. So this function will take 2 parameters. First parameter will be the name of the elements, let's say item, and second parameter will be index. So ज़रूरी नहीं है that हम यही नाम रखें, you can write anything instead of this. So now we will render each list which contain an element. So we will create a li tag and inside curly braces we will render each item. So now let's import it in app.jsx and render it in app component. So let's open it in our browser. So inside terminal write npm run dev, click on the link. So as we can see, we have displayed each and every elements in the array. But wait, if you inspect and open console, we will see a warning with a message, each child in the list should have a unique key prop. So every element को uniquely identify करने के लिए we will use key prop and pass a unique value such as index. So let's open our browser and refresh. So now we can see the error is gone. So I hope you understand map function. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See you soon in the next video. तब तक के लिए goodbye.